All right, I'm out of breath because I just carried this thing. This is another compiled piece of stuff that we built years ago. I'm not sure what this started out as originally. It looks like it might be a saddle rack of some kind, just by the design of it, but found it at a thrift store for not a whole lot of money. Knew that I could probably use it on the Jeep. This is a basket we just found at the same thrift store. Picked it up and have utilized it. This is on here to hold our high lift jack. We need to get back on there. I want to do some trimming on this. I'm going to leave this adjustable, this tire mount, because I'm not 100% sure I love this, but I'm going to leave it the way that it is for now. But I would like to cut the extra long bolts off just to clean it up a little bit. And we need to weld on some sort of bracing that will bolt into these holes. Last big trail ride, it's probably been 12 years ago or so, we went on a big trail ride. The first time we test drove that, and it holds two older 5-gallon cans of gas and a cooler. It's good size, works well, but it with that weight up there, it would sway quite a bit. I want to correct that and make it so that it can't do that, and I'm just going to permanently make that possible. With bolts, we'll be able to undo it and use it that way, but we're going to make it as user-friendly as we can. So I think we'll get sorting through some of that. We might end up changing some of those back bolts because we might be able to utilize that as part of our bolt system, but we'll see. So let me swap out a battery and get back with you here. All right, let's see here. One of those might work just fine for what we need. We will find out. What I'm kind of thinking we'll do is I'd like this to bolt onto that spare tire mount. I think is best. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. All right, let's get a tape measure. Let's get some measuring done. I mean, I could lay it flat like this and come off. That bolt and then just run a bolt right through that. That is possible. Those bolts are plenty long. I could just run right through that, those two top bolts. Cut that, bend it. Bend it, it's gonna be a little bit, it's gonna need to be gusseted in a few things, but that's okay. The question too is this, that's about where it's gonna be. It just sways with so much weight, needs a little extra, okay? All right, I think we got a plan. We're gonna cut these 31 inches. And weld those bolts to them after we drill a hole in the top. Make this as simple as possible. It's going to be good. As his dad, I know it's okay that I just use it, but as a gentleman, I don't think that it's appropriate for me to just take someone else's stuff. And as I help him navigate his early adulthood, I wanted to know that that's how good men ask to borrow your stuff. It's just that simple, in my opinion, in my book. All right, this one's cool enough. We can kind of size it up, make sure it's going to work the way we want it to. Plan is to go into that hole and then bolt this in. I do, however, want these bolts to go the opposite direction. This thing to go this way, if at all possible. Come this way. That looks like that's going to work out okay. This is going to come up a lot because it's going to come up like this. We'll be able to put tension down on here as we tighten those bolts. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Yep. Pretty sure the other one's fairly hot still. Oh yeah, it's a piping hot. So we'll leave that one. We'll leave this one for a minute too. Let them cool. I'm gonna size them real fast, but then I'm gonna paint them. So we'll see about that. Haha. Don't think. I don't think that that'll be going anywhere. We'll be able to put a couple of cans of gas if we need to. A cooler fits well. So get it strapped on forward and backwards. Might need to figure out how to tie it into the new cage we'll build, but that's for the future. But for this weekend, we're gonna test drive this, let you know how it did. If it fails, we'll tell you. If it didn't, you probably will never hear about it. So just know, no news is good news. Thank you for watching today. Appreciate it more than you know. We've got a couple more builds coming up that will be shop builds. We're gonna build a fuel tank out of an old compressor that was once again going to the scrap bin. So grabbed it. We're gonna build we think it's roughly about 27 gallons. Be good for our adventures. We'll get that set. You'll see that here in the next week or so, maybe 2. We've got a couple other things we want to do to this. Like I say, a cage. I don't know if we'll get to that yet. We've got a few other things we need to get done before we have a couple of trips planned for some family reunions and some other trips. So we'll see how it goes. But thank you. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Hope you have a great day.